Hi, welcome to my channel, where we learn English in a relaxed and chill way. Today, I'm going to teach you about pronouns in English. Pronouns are words that are used to replace or refer to nouns. They can help avoid repetition and make sentences more concise and clear. There are different types of pronouns, but in this video, I will focus on three main types: subject, object, and possessive pronouns. Let's take a look at each one and how to use them correctly. Subject pronouns are pronouns that act as a subject of a sentence or a clause. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. For example, I am a teacher. I is the subject of the sentence. She likes chocolate. She is the subject of the sentence. They are going to the park. They is the subject of the sentence. We use subject pronouns when we want to name the person or thing that performs an action or is in a state of being. For example, he sings very well. He is the person who sings. It is raining. It is the thing that is in a state of raining. We also use subject pronouns to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again. For example, Mary is my friend. She is very nice. She replaces Mary. The dog barked at the cat. It was very loud. It replaces the dog. Object pronouns are the pronouns that act as the objects of the verb or a preposition. They are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. For example, he loves me. Me is the object of the verb loves. She gave him a gift. Him is the object of the verb gave. They went with us. Us is the object of the preposition with. We use object pronouns when we want to name the person or thing that receives an action or is affected by a preposition. For example, she kissed him. Him is the person who receives the action of kissing. He put it on the table. It is the thing that is affected by the preposition on. We also use object pronouns to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again. For example, I saw John yesterday. He invited me to his party. Me replaces I. She likes pizza. Do you want to share it with her? It replaces pizza, and her replaces she. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that show ownership or belonging. They are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. For example, this book is mine. Mine shows that the book belongs to me. That car is yours. Yours shows that the car belongs to you. These dogs are theirs. Theirs shows that the dogs belong to them. We use possessive pronouns when we want to indicate who owns or has something. For example, this is my phone. It is mine. Mine indicates that I own the phone. That is your jacket. It is yours. Yours indicates that you own the jacket. These are their keys. They are theirs. Theirs indicates that they own the keys. We also use possessive pronouns to avoid repeating the same noun over and over again. For example, Alice has a bike. It is hers. Hers replaces Alice's bike. Bob likes his car. It is his. His replaces Bob's car. They love their house. It is theirs. Theirs replaces their house. There are also possessive adjectives, which are similar to possessive pronouns, but they are used before a noun. They are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. For example, this is my book. My is a possessive adjective that modifies the noun book. That is your car. Your is a possessive adjective that modifies the noun car. These are their dogs. Their is a possessive adjective that modifies the noun dogs. We use possessive adjectives when we want to describe the noun that is owned or has something. For example, this is my phone. It is black. My describes the phone that I own. That is your jacket. It is blue. Your describes the jacket that you own. These are their keys. They are silver. Their describes the keys that they own. As you can see, pronouns are very important in English. They help us communicate more clearly and precisely. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. Also, leave a comment below and tell me what other topics you want me to cover. But wait, before you go, let's do a quick quiz to test your knowledge of pronouns. I will give you 5 sentences with missing pronouns. You have to choose the correct pronoun from the options given. You can pause the video and write down your answers, or just say them out loud. Are you ready? Let's begin. He's my brother. Name is Tom. The correct answer is A. We use he as a subject pronoun and his as a possessive adjective. She gave a hug and thanked for the help. The correct answer is C. We use me as an object pronoun. This is your pen. It is not. The correct answer is A. We use mine as a possessive pronoun. They have 2 children. Are very smart. The correct answer is A. We use they as a subject pronoun. This is our house. Is very big. The correct answer is C. We use ours as a possessive pronoun. How did you do? Did you get all the sentences right? If not, don't worry. You can always rewatch the video and review the rules. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. Thank you for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.